Sir, I'm here.
Acha, okay. Good. Good morning.
This is my colleague.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Good to see members are increasing. As we all know, today's session is on technology. So we'll wait for another 2 minutes, then we'll start the session, sir, because people are joining in at the moment. We have got around 40 people who have joined in. So let us wait for 5 minutes.
Let us wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Then we'll start.
Kshitij, you are also a part of Mr. Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what exactly you do with Gaurav?
Sir, I'm head of client success team.
Client success team.
Client
Okay.
success team.
So, sorry?
Client success.
Client success team.
Acha, client success team. Okay. So means you are the person who can really make us also success. Huh?
Yes, sir. Help you in setting it up in operations and making it successful for your use.
Acha, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So how you can make our, the tour operators also a success? The success story of your, the earlier, you have to plan with our, the tour operators. That's most important. The reason of doing the GTX today, the webinar is only that how we can be successful in our endeavor to towards our clients, and how we can really retain our and sustain our business, and what is the story behind that. That exactly, I think. Gaurav, am I right?
Yes, sir. We are gonna discuss all these points actually in detail.
Yeah,
Because
correct.
The
so far,
presentation,
So,
the presentation and the demonstration both will be answering all the questions.
yeah, correct. Yeah,
because so far we are
important
talking
is
about the problems only, the pain area in the market,
Yeah.
but nobody's talking how to bounce back once the market is open.
okay.
Right now, nobody is getting business. So that's
Right.
okay. We can't do much about it. But once the
Hmm.
market is open, how we ensure that we are getting the business?
Right.
Because if we are not getting the business that time, that's the major problem.
That is all we're going to talk about, friends, in today's session. Good morning, Narottamji from Krishna Tours. Welcome, sir. I can see around 60 participants have already joined in. Thank you, Ashish Bhattji. Aditya Bhagat is there. Ajit Jain, uh, Amita, Anjali, Anuj, Ashish, Ashok Bhujji. Welcome, Ashokji. Ashraf, Atul Singh, welcome. Avinash Behur, Chetan Umalia, Ekta Nayar, Hitesh Kanojia, Gurjeet ji, Kavita, Kunal, Manisha, Manoj Vashne, Narottam, Nilesh, Prateek, Pavan, Ravinder, Ritu, Rohit, Sanjay, Savita, Shivani, Shilpa, Sunil, Surendra, Thomas, Udat, Umesh, Vedhanaji, Vishal, Boraji. So I welcome all of you who are there in the panel today. Mr. Gaurav Gupta, welcome, sir, and thanks for your time today. Mr. Gaurav, to
Thank you,
introduce everyone, Gaurav ji is the founder of GTX, majorly known as Hello GTX in the market, a very renowned name and into the trade for a long time, exclusively making packages, CRM solutions for travel trade industry, for hotels, tour operators, travel agents. He will give more inputs on how to survive in this difficult crisis time of COVID and how to sustain after the COVID in terms of your nearby travels, in terms of making your website solutions, your CRM solutions. So he's the man on today's webinar. This is exclusively on technology. I have got many responses from members, and we have created a couple of polls also. And members are more keen to know more about technology. So we have fixed today's session on technology. That is how Mr. Gaurav is here. Mr. Kshitij is here. Hi, Kshitij. Kshitij is working with Mr. Gaurav's office. Hello, GTX.
Hi, everyone.
And he is looking after client servicing, anything regarding setup of your CRM or any issues. Kshitij is the right person to contact with. He will handle your question answer rounds little later when we have question answer round in the session. And we all know Mr. Khanna, our own dear president, ADTOI, always very enthusiastic and full of energy, attending all the webinars, supporting us all the time. Thank you, Mr. Khanna, for joining in.
Thank you very much.
I can see around 75 people are here, so probably we can start in another 2 minutes. Just before we start, as in today's session, we all know this is on technology. We all know the world is badly hit by this COVID-19, and tourism is the first industry which is massively suffering from this. So I personally think that innovation is the new normal now. We have to go innovative. We have to go digital. We have to do things in a very proper manner, in a very systematic manner now. So time has changed, and we have to change ourselves. So I would request all our members who are present today to not do not get left behind. We have to survive. We all have to survive. Market will improve for sure, but at the same time, we have to educate ourselves how to do this in the current scenario. Apart from this, as far as technology is concerned, this is the time to go digital. Mr. Gaurav will tell you about a lot of things on how to get digital and how to survive after COVID-19. But yes, we have started our webinars on Zoom and other platforms. You see, the teachers are teaching online nowadays on Zoom and online study platforms. People are working from home. We are doing seminars, webinars on online portals and video conferencing. People are investing their time and money in websites, CRMs, softwares, and backend working. So the world is changing. So we have to also move with the flow. If we all are, before we get started, I would like our president, Mr. Khanna, to say a few words. Then we'll start with the webinar.
Good morning to everybody, and thank you, Gaurav. Thank you, Kshitij, for this. How we can really bounce back in our business. That's very, very important, because after COVID, a lot of people are saying that how will do and what will be the situation in the tourism and hospitality industry. But nevertheless, that there are a lot of the backups which can really make us more successful in our life, provided we know the technology, and we know that exactly what is the importance of the technology in today's date. So taking into consideration, Chetan has already described about that the importance of the technology in today's date, and that exactly I think we all must have to adopt the new technology to survive and again to revive in the industry. So as you all know that the tourism industry is always with the first suffer and the last to recover it. But nevertheless, we can always say that we are the domestic tour operators, and today the whole industry is talking about that international will take time to recover, but definitely the travel of the domestic tour will start after the lockdown period, and maybe slowly when the COVID-19 is out of our country. And to not to say much, I will say that अपना कभी वो उम्मीदें मत छोड़ो, उम्मीदों पे दुनिया कायम है, चलते रहो चलते रहो चलते रहो. So thank you very much, Gaurav ji, and let us start the meeting.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Let us start on without wasting much of time, friends. And this is the next series of our ADTI Connect webinar series. We have done one on Google Suites recently, and this is the second one on technology. We have little plans on hotels and other technology forums. We will get you updated on this. But today, let us start on this. So we have got around 90 participants, Gaurav ji. So I think this is the time we can start on the presentation, sir.
Great, sir. Thank you, Khanna ji. Thank you, Chetan ji, for giving the opportunity and share how the technology can help. So let me share my screen.
Gaurav ji, before starting, if you can introduce yourself and your company, how old it is, and what best you can do for members and all that stuff, so that people can get an insight what this company is all about.
Sure, sir. So you can see my screen right now?
Yes.
Okay, so first let's pray for the peace, safety and happiness in everyone's life, and this COVID-19 problem gets over at the earliest. I hope everyone is able to hear me. If we can just raise the hands. Sir, my voice is clear?
Yes, sir. Audible. Please go on.
Great. So the presentation today is about how to bounce back post COVID-19. And if we talk about Hello GTX, it's a 5-year young consultancy, technology and digital marketing company. We have worked with global companies, large corporates and travel companies. We have also won the Amadeus Next Award. Few of our clients, if you talk about Atlas Holidays, Janet, so these are the names which you all are familiar with, we are working with. Apart from that, we also work with lots of many corporate clients like Religare Group, IFCO Tokyo, DCB Bank, PepsiCo, Tata Advance, and there are lots of many corporate clients we work with. So we are a pure technology company. We have built a product for the travel industry. So before starting the presentation, I want to quote Sir Albert Einstein: "An opportunity lies between difficulties and problems." How many of you agree with this particular quote? And we have applied in our trade so far. Can we raise our hands? Okay. So I'll show you one example where we all have done this in the past. If you remember, when we get a client with a lower cost from a competitor, and to beat that price, we end up getting a new supplier with a lower costing, which results the higher profits in the longer run. So we just need to be positive in the difficult time, and we find a lot of opportunities. We recently did a survey with the help of IBS Gurgaon students among the travel agents and travelers to understand exactly how the market situation will be, what are the sentiments of the travelers. So I'm not covering the travel agent side, but the traveler side. When we asked them how COVID-19 is impacting our travel plans, so our audience were 70% of them were up to the 40 years age group. When we asked them, once COVID-19 travel advisory is over, how long will you take to plan your first trip? 26% want to go immediately within the first month. They are like, I am bored and want a trip immediately. 52% of the people say they will travel within the first 3 months. So market wouldn't be that bad once it is open. Of course, we will not be having those kind of a thing, but yeah, momentum will be there. So our presentation is more about once the momentum starting, how we should capture the market that time, because that is more important. Right now, nobody is getting the business. But once the market is open, how we can get our share, that is more important. So today's presentation, we are going to cover all those points. Apart from that, when we ask these people, what will be the duration of your trip? 92% of people are confident they will do the short trips or weekend trips only. They will not be going to the long trips. Why this question was important, I'll come to this. When we ask them, where do you book your hotels for the weekend trips? 81.8% people were doing it online. So something like, I'm staying in Delhi, I have to go to Rishikesh or Nainital, I'll go online and I'll book a hotel. Do you agree with me? They do not come to the travel agents. Most of the people go to the OTAs. So when we ask them why they prefer OTAs, the major reason is ease of use and instant response. Pricing is the third component, 45.5% people. But major is the ease of use and instant response. And when we ask them what are the main reasons when you visit a travel agents, when it comes to the trip planning, that is a major reason they go to the travel agent. When it's international booking, they go to the travel agent. But when it comes to the only flight or only hotel, they prefer OTA. It's only 15.4% where hotel bookings are concerned and they are going to a travel agent. So this is where we have to actually work right now to change the perspective of our client. That yes, we do the hotels also. Otherwise, what will happen once the market is open, they are going on the OTAs. So we have to actually work right now how we can change the perception of our client. And when the last question we asked them, do you expect better deals after post COVID-19? 88.5% people feels that they will get better deals. Whereas when internally we are discussing about it, we are expecting the cost of delivery will be high because of the different restrictions. So that's the situation, and that's kind of a sentiments and feedback we got from the market. This survey was done on around 1,500 people. Now, another thing, if it comes only hotel deals, then the major concern is the OTAs. So what will be the strategy of the OTAs in terms of discounting post COVID-19? I want to ask a question to all the members. Just reply yes or no. If OTAs will continue discounting, type yes. If you feel they will not continue discounting, type no. You can just type yes or no.
Sorry, Gaurav. People, I know all participants today are of travel fraternity and understand tourism well. But just for reference and people who are coming for the first time or attending for their just general knowledge, OTAs, online travel agents such as Make My Trip, GoIBiBo, and Gauravji is asking for yes or no questions. You can probably write your answers in the chat box. You can see chat at the bottom of your screen. You can press chat and write your answer.
Yeah, so we are getting the mixed responses. Many people are saying yes, and many of them are saying no.
Yeah.
So like Ekta ma'am is saying no, Pratik sir is saying no, whereas Vishalji is saying yes. So lots many mixed feelings are there. Let me tell you some simple calculations of how the OTAs are working. OTAs primary, just a sec. This is the best time for the OTAs to do the cash burn and discounting. I'll tell you why. Because OTA's business model is about capturing higher market share and number of transactions. Profit is not there in their mind. You can check any of the OTAs for last 15, 20 years. When it was a good time, they were even doing the cash burn to capture the market share. Now, post COVID-19, during initial month, overall transactions will be less. So by spending less, OTAs will have the higher market share. So like, for an example, if per day transactions in the market is around 5 lakh, OTA share is 30%, which means 1.5 lakh transactions a day. And they are doing a cash burn of around 200 per transaction, means they have to spend 3 crore rupees per day to capture the 30% market share. But after COVID-19, business transactions will be hardly 10%. So instead of 5 lakh, it would be 50,000. Now to capture 80% market instead of the 30% market, they need around 40,000 clients. So if they increase their cash burn by 50%, they need only 1.2 CR. So by reducing their cash burn to 1/3, their market share has gone 3 times high. So this is actually a high time for them once the market is open to increase the cash burn. So this is something where as a travel agent, we have to be very tech savvy so that we can actually fight back from this particular situation. So what will be the situation, role and situation of a travel agent post COVID-19? That is the question. So all is well. So why I put this picture, it's not something I'm telling you. This is the role as a travel agent we are gonna play. It's actually can be the golden time for the travel agent post COVID-19. I'll ask you why. Because when people are in stress, they want to talk to humans, not the bots. So after COVID, these are the travel agents who will make the travelers move again. When travelers want to travel somewhere, they need a personal expert advice will be required before traveling to any destinations. Personalized recommendation will be required about the property, sanitation on the property, safety and hygiene. A consumer has to understand the travel advisory and restrictions from an expert. A personal touch will be required to build the confidence among the travel agents that all is well factor. So we have to play the Amir Khan role or that Ranchor Das Jhanjhar role, Rancho role in the time to come. Do you agree with me that agents, customers will be talking to the travel agents? But if you see the takeaways out of it, domestic trips, everybody knows now, it will rise, international will be down, short trips will go up, long trips will be down, only hotel deals will go up. Profit margins will be less because the market will be so competitive. We will be working probably to start the business again. So initially we may be working with the lesser margin or maybe no margin, just acquiring the clients. Leads inflow will rise, role as a travel agent will rise. So now the key question is how to operate with low margins, because that is there for sure. How to capture only hotel and weekend business. How we can do the cost cutting. How we can ensure the higher conversion. And the most important thing, how to educate our clients that we do only hotel deals too. Because they know us when we are doing they are going on a long trip. When they are going on an international vacation, a client in North India is going to South or Northeast, they are coming to a travel agent. But when he is going to Rishikesh and nearby location by his own car, he is going to the OTA. So we have to educate the client that yes, we do hotel deals also in a manner that if we call them or tell them right now, they don't mind it. It should not look like an oversale. So first thing first, how to reduce the cost? We have to reduce our repetition of work. Right now, if you see, we do a lot of repetition of work. We have to automate our website flow. If I talk about the repetition of work, what is happening? We create an itinerary which has to go on the website. The same itinerary has to go on the emails. The same itinerary has to go to the client. And we are doing it 5 times. So that repetition should be avoided. Website flow should be automated. Our proposals and follow-up should be automated. Rather than doing it manually, we should automate this process. Bookable emailers and booking forms will be required. I heard we did a very good webinar last time through the Google Sheets. Start using it if you don't want to go for a software. Start using something. Reduce the lead leakage and say no to Google Ads and PPC. Being a technology guy, I am saying the Google Ad and PPC will not be effective once the market is open. Why? Because if you have done it in the past, you will see the conversion is around 3 to 4% only. Cost per lead is around 100 to 150 rupees. When we were doing the international packages, large packages, our margin were 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. So we are able to handle a lead at a cost of around 2,000, 3,000, because after 3% conversion out of 100 leads, per qualified lead cost was around 3,000 rupees. Now the margin will be hardly 500 rupees. So spending money on Google Ads and PPC will not be a good idea. So how to generate the leads? We have to focus on our existing clients, existing client database. I'm working in this industry for last 2 years, and every time I hear from a travel agent that they need the leads, they need to buy the leads. Why you need to buy the leads? You have a client base of your clients for last 10 years, 15 years. This is the time. Dig into your old database, dig into your email, build the database. Cut off your office rentals. This is a new thing we have learned during the COVID-19. As Edu2I, meetings are happening, webinars are happening. I remember when last time we did a webinar of presentation to the Edu2I members, there were approximately 60 members only. Today we are 100 plus. We are working at the comfort of our home. Now after COVID-19, we can actually save huge money, around 50,000 rupees per month, by cutting the office rentals if we apply the right type of a infra technology, so that we can see what is happening and who is doing what. Maybe you can move to the co-working space. If it is required, you can go to the co-working space rather than having a fixed office rentals. You can think of it. There are lots many ideas to do it. And if possible, use some future ready technology. That all will result in the cost savings. So how to bounce back? Update your existing clients and suppliers data right now. Train your staff about the destinations, property, and technology. Identify certain offbeat locations, properties, weekend deals to be offered from your area. Now you have to play the role of a travel advisor, not just a travel agent. Create your marketing strategy materials right now. Start collecting your customer feedbacks. Build your packages for 2 night or 3 night. Design your mailers, your landing pages, so that once market, even the Facebook post, you can plan it now for next 6 months. In the Facebook, there is a facility of scheduling the post. Adopt some right technology and upgrade your website with booking engines and easy to use backend. So let me show you 2 Excel sheets how to manage your customer data right now. So all you can see this particular screen. So this is where I've shown how you can actually do the planning of your social media campaigns. So like, you know, in the time to come, people will be going for the weekend trips. Identify when we have the weekends in every month. And then start pushing, planning your content accordingly in a week or 2 advance. So like if there is a long weekend, on a particular day, you can actually plan, hooray, this state is corona free, which is in the initial days. India welcomes you back, 5-star hotel deal at so-and-so location at 3-star price, something like whatever you can think of. You can actually choose the right word rather than your marketing guy. It's time to go get some fresh view of the world. We can plan a picnic for you on the weekend. So before the weekend or any such events where customer can go somewhere, plan those particular activities right now, so that once the market is open, you start posting them, you are not spending time on it. So that is the thing which can be done right now. The second is, when you are posting anything on the social media, start monitoring them. We have actually a mindset that, okay, if you post something at evening time, people have the maximum visibility on the social media. That's not correct. It actually depends the kind of fan following, the kind of audience I have on my Facebook page. If there are more ladies, they may be doing it in the lunchtime or after lunchtime, once they are free from their daily routine. If they are the businessmen, they may be looking at the evening hours. If these are the office staff, they may be looking at a different time. So start monitoring whenever you're posting something on the social media at a particular time, how many hits, likes, views, and share you are getting out of it. So that after a month, you know what is the right time to do it. Same thing, you can actually manage your customer data also. So customer data, you can actually dig your Excel sheets. You can dig your email accounts, Google accounts, and search the email and customer data there. Make an Excel sheet, something like salutation, first name, last name, mobile number, birth dates, anniversary. Well, these are the trigger points. When the customer has a birthday or anniversary, they may plan something at that time. Their passport data. So if you have their passport data in hand, you can actually tell them when it is getting expired. Their food preferences, seat preferences, number of kids, which city they belong to. If you know now that, okay, these many clients are from Delhi, these many clients are from Mumbai, you can actually send them the mailers of destinations. So like to Delhi clients, you can send a mailer of the nearby locations from Delhi. To Mumbai clients, Maharashtra clients, you can send the destinations like Lonavala and all, rather than sending the Rishikesh destination. You can actually define the category of your client, whether they are silver category, gold, and platinum. In case they are working in some company, you can manage their company name also. So all these things can be done now. You can manage this data. I'll show you how the technology can also help on this. Now, the last thing before going into the technical presentation, do I need a website? Trust me, I'm meeting the clients, almost 2,000 plus travel agents in last 1 year. All the small and medium travel agents are like, Gauravji, I don't need a website. Because how I can compete with the OTAs in terms of online business? I do not have that kind of a budget to market my website on the Google and Facebook. My customers are coming through references only. So why do I need a website? We deal only with the walk-ins. So why do I need a website? Now walk-ins will not be there. What will you do? Now, why do I need a website? You need a website not for the world, but for your own clients. Whosoever are your clients, you need a website for them. A website or no website is like a traditional shop or a supermarket. If you see, I've called you, if I'm calling a travel agent, boss, I need a deal for Rishikesh, I'm actually getting obliged by this and I'm afraid of getting the follow-up from him. What if I can go on a link which you have shared with me on the WhatsApp? I can go on your website and I can see, okay, these are the deals Chetan's company is doing or anyone's company is doing. Then if I like, I'll call them. It is something like if I'm going in a traditional shop, somebody is just asking me, sir, what do you need? Versus I'm in a supermarket, I'm looking here and there, whatever I like, I may buy it through my impulse buying behavior. Rather than somebody's forcing me, no, I was just looking and he will go away. So that's the reason you need a website. Let your client explore your deals and offering 24/7 without any barriers. You need not to spend on the SEO, you need not to spend on the PPC or anything. Just some mailers to your clients with your website link, WhatsApp message, whatever you are doing. No need to spend huge money at all. Everything is right there. If we talk about the SWOT analysis in the current situation as a travel agency versus OTAs, our strength is the low fixed cost. The kind of personalization we can offer, customization that we can offer in the existing client base where we can actually call them and talk to them rather than doing it on the Google and Facebook. Our weakness is a higher transaction cost. What's happened right now? Let's say we got a call from a lead from a client through a website. Then our staff is calling the client. 50% of the time, client is not picking up the call. After this, if the client is picking up the call, we are asking the same questions, sir, where do you want to go? How many kids are there? Dates and other things which he has already given in the inquiry form. Then we are checking the deal with the supplier or the hotel. Then we are sending it to the client. In this entire process, we spend almost 200 rupees to cater this query or 100 rupees, whatever. But there is a cost. Staff cost is there. Time cost is there. Staff cost is a low part. The time is a major factor because if you are not responding to this client in 15, 20 minutes, or maybe instantly, he is going on the OTAs. or other travel agents. So you are actually creating the competition. If you can respond to this client immediately over the call itself and get engaged with the client, you will actually capture the better business. So client retention is expensive. Our response time. Apart from that, so far the technologies were so expensive. Funds were not there to apply the technology. So opportunities are also there. This is a quarantine time to adopt the technology, upgrade your tech, business process can be improved. In case you don't want to invest any money on the technology, you can go for the Google Sheets. Edutoi did a wonderful presentation on the Google Sheets. You can actually use the Google Sheets also. Manage your existing clients' data. Apart from that, lots many tech companies, even us, we are offering the discounts. They are the threats, uncertainty. We don't know whether this problem will go for a month, 3 months, or 6 months. Margins will be less. OTH cash burn. OTH cash burn can be completed. We can fight with the kind of personalization that all is well factor, which only we can bring. OTH can never do that. So before coming on the other parts, let me show you though how the software can work and do the things for you. Let me show you the product in action rather than on the slides. So now let me show you one website first. This is one of the website which is being done on this platform only. Chetan sir, you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So this is one of the website being done on the platform. Here we have given lots many call to action for the client. If he know where he want to go, he can just type it here. I want to go to Uttarakhand. And he can just click on let's go. In case he doesn't know, here are certain trending deals for the client. He can also browse through the themes which are available in the platform on your website. Recommended destinations can also be there. There can be some promotions, deal of the month, categories also. Now let me just pick a weekend deal. So if I, as a client, I click on the weekends. Here I can see all the deals available with this particular agency. I can also filter out which particular destination I want to go. I want to go to Rajasthan. I want to go to North India. So these are the filters which are getting created automatically. I can also filter out whether I want to go for 2 nights or I want to go for 3 nights. And the best part is when a customer says, okay, I want to explore this particular hotel, get estimate, enter customer information. So now this is another thing, because this client is coming again and again. So his information, if you see, is pre-filled. He need not to fill this data once again. What he need to do, just pick the date, view offers and send inquiry. It took me hardly a second, correct? As a client. Now what's happened in the backend, let me show you before. So this is the option to the client. He can now book now, right now. Apart from that, what's happened? A proposal has already been sent to the client. Let me show the backend of this particular agency. So now if I'll go in the query section, you will see Gaurav Gupta, Jaipur query, a proposal is already been sent. In less than a minute, a proposal has already been sent to the client. And if I click on get email status, system is showing the mail is not being delivered yet. So maybe it will be delivered in a while. Apart from that, an automatic proposal will go to the client. A SMS is already being received by me on the platform itself. So those are the automation which can be bring out. Now,
So
let's say you have received the
do you mean that once the person clicks on get code,
the
code will automatically go on the email and a message will come on the WhatsApp?
That's a message will come on the SMS, sir, not on the WhatsApp. Once you send it manually from the backend, then it goes on the WhatsApp also.
Okay.
So let me show you the screen, how it is going in the mail. So if you see my screen right now, this is how the proposal is going in the email automatically. That what was the query of this client, which particular resort was being asked by the client, what is the total costing, And the best part is, in case you want to book, he can just click here and book it online in real time. They need not to call me back. So those are the certain things which technology can actually do for you. So here, customer can actually click on confirm and book now. And the moment they click on confirm and book now, the best part, you can give an OTA-like experience. You see, the customer information is pre-filled. Why? Because you have already updated the data of your client. So those are the things I was talking about. If you can give that kind of a personalization with the help of technology, so that customer get that OTA's kind of ease of use, that okay, I need not to fill a lot of information. He just need to click on save details and proceed. Proceed next, and he can make the payment from here right now. So let me choose how, if I'm making offline payment, how exactly it works. So let's say customer has made the payment in my bank account directly. Now in the finance, my account person has just need to approve that yes, this payment has been received. Update status. Now, if I'll go in the booking section, I can see the package right here. That this package has been sold to the client and full payment has already been made. Now, what if I have to create an invoice for the client? Just click on the invoice button. Your invoice is ready. Your customer information, customer address, everything is coming by default. That F2020, GBS, sector 107, pin code, client city, state, because you have already filled that information of the client. Why you need to do it again and again? That is what I am talking about. Repetition of work should be avoided. Apart from that, if you see, you can actually do the voucher issuance from here. Like just go here, click on the fulfillment button. Whatever item you have sent to the client, it is coming here. You just need to enter the check-in time of the hotel, checkout time of the hotel, whatever confirmation number you have got from the hotel, any contact detail of the hotel, any terms and condition which has come to from the hotel, especially right now. Click on update. Guess what? Your voucher is ready. This is your hotel confirmation voucher with a beautiful photograph of that hotel. And the good part is we have already uploaded a database of around 8 lakh hotels, out of which 80% of the data is up to date. You can download this PDF and send it to your client. Now, if you are doing it like this, your cost of servicing comes drastically low. Now, even if you are doing this particular deal at 200 rupees margin, it is a profit to you. Now, let me show you the other features where, as I said initially, how we can tell our client that yes, we do the only hotel deals also without disturbing them or doing hardcore sales. So when you are getting a call from the client, if you don't have a website, so here we have got different modules. Let me tell about the modules. You can manage your queries, your clients. So the first thing is your B2C customers. The Excel sheet that I have shown you, you can actually upload that Excel sheet in one go as a bulk import. Number two, you can always call your client today. Hello, sir, how are you doing right now? Just to take some halchal of that client in the COVID situation. And you can tell them, sir, we are also actually suffered, but we are actually updating our client profile and doing a survey on our services. And we are coming up with some good deals. I'm sending you a request. If you can just click and submit the survey form. Now, if you see, automatically a personalized mail has been drafted. If I choose Venkatesh Mahindra from here, click here, automatically your opinion matter to a subject is there. Dear Venkatesh, greetings from Hello GTS. This is the guy who is logged in. We request you to rate our services you received from us in the past by clicking on the link below. Please visit our brand new website. Call us for assistance on the hotel stage. We are doing this also, and it is being highlighted promptly. You need not to think about it. In case you want to change the content, you can do it. Now, the moment your client clicks on satisfied, automatically a form will be displayed. I am opening it in the demo account. So once client will click on it, his data will be pre-filled. He don't need to fill the data at all. His name, email ID, mobile number, everything will be there. I'm just entering some random information right now. Which destination you have been to, which month you have traveled. Why this particular month is important, I'll tell you. Now customer can also update his birthday here. So without doing much effort, you are taking the customer's birthday and anniversary date, and they wouldn't take much time in doing this. Review, detail review, and they can upload a photograph also if they want, or just click on submit. The moment they click on submit, what's happened? In the back end, you get that particular survey automatically, the response from the client. So in the marketing module, if you see view feedback, Chetan Gupta, Chetan at ABC, and this is the feedback we have got. He is a happy client or unhappy client. Based on the click, you are able to track that also. Now, in case you want to publish it on the website, just click on DOW. It will be displayed on your website also. So see how technology can help you. There is no need to call them, get the response in the email, then telling it to your web developer, uploading it on the website. No, nothing is required. All this can be automated. Now let me show you the customer journey. How we can give the personalization rather than working as an offline OTA. So let's say I got a client. The moment I enter the customer email ID or mobile number, system is showing me customer already exists. The moment I click on view here, system is telling me right now how much billing has been done to this client, how much is paid, how much is pending, where he wants to go based on the queries he has done in the past. What is the customer profile and preference? He prefers Jain and Sattvic food. He prefers any type of a hotel stay. His passport is getting expired on a particular date. What is the marital status of the client? How many kids he has got? If he has got a visa for USA, when it is expiring, in which company he is working, customer category, platinum or gold or silver, seat preference, he prefers window seats, any other travel preference, we have not updated, so it is not there. So now just think about it when your existing client is calling you and you are telling him, sir, last time you have inquired for Uttarakhand. How was your experience? Have you been there or not? You add the personal touch to your client. And for this, I need not to be an employee of the company for last 10 years. Even if I've joined 2 days back, I can actually cater this client with the same process. So all these things can be done right now in this quarantine time. If we does this, after the market is open, the kind of personalization we can offer to our clients, that can bring the change. Now here it is showing what is the pending things for this client, what are the last remarks from the client, everything is right there. In case you want to request a feedback from here, you can just click here also. You can request a feedback from here also. Every button has been given at the place where it is required. Now let's say this client has a query and he wants a package, and say he's looking for a package for Kerala. And he's going from Delhi. And his travel date is, let's say 20th of May. And he wants to go there for 3 to 4 days. He wants a hotel, sightseeing, transfer. He wants to stay in a 4-star or 5-star property. His food preference is veg. Now, when you are creating this query, the profile of the customer is getting updated automatically, that he look for the 4-star, 5-star property, he go for the veg. So all this data is getting updated automatically. Now just save this query. Now here after saving the query, you have multiple options. One, in case you don't have a package ready-made with you, you can just click on contact suppliers. Automatically a mail has been drafted. Your suppliers for Kerala is listed here. You can select some of the suppliers from here. In case you want to edit something in the email, you can add it. In a single click, you can send this mail to multiple suppliers. So now, even if my employee is not 6 years old in dealing the suppliers, I am 10 years old in the industry and I know who are my suppliers. So my junior staff can also interact with the suppliers without any efforts. A perfect mail will go to the supplier in no time. Apart from that, As I said, we should respond to the query within a minute. So in case you have just created the query and you have already created your master deals in the platform, you can search the package right from here. And if you see, automatically I'm getting the deals which I have created in the platform. Deluxe category, luxury category. Just click on email to customer. Here I can see the complete package in detail. In case I want to customize something, I can customize, or I can just share it with my client. Here again, if I want to add some extra markup, I can add. I want to give some discount, I can do. This is my original cost and markup. I want GST on the total package. I want GST on the service fee. I want GST extra with text. I want to share with total pricing or without pricing, or I want to give only idea to the client, so I can send without price by saying approx 20,000 per person. And in a single click, I can send it to my client. So let me send it with price first. Send. The moment I does it, a proposal has been sent to the client on the email as well as on SMS. Not only this, I can share it on WhatsApp also from here without even saving the number of the client. Or if I want, I can download a PDF also from here. So these are few small things which actually help you save a lot of time. Let me just open my WhatsApp on my mobile phone once. So this is how your PDF gets created automatically. All the content and photograph is coming by default. Why? Because we have put it in the database already. And it is going along with the payment gateway link. View online and book, pay, book and book your vacations. Your bank details are already there. And by the time you save the number of your client in your WhatsApp, a message has been sent to the client without saving his number. And now he can click here and do the booking. And this is how the itinerary will be displayed to the client in real time. I'm showing you everything live. I'm not showing you a video demo. And another good part, here, if I click on the hotel name, the hotel information is coming right there. Many a time it happens, we send the proposal to the client to check the hotel details. They go to the Google and they end up going to some other site once they're on the Google. But here we are giving all the information right here. We have already built the content of most of the sightseeing globally. If you talk about Masai Mara, even the Masai Mara's National Park information is there in the database. Now client can just click on confirm and book now. Okay. Now before this, let me show you something. We all are managing the Excel sheets in our office to track our leads, correct? Now here, if you see, no need to manage the Excel sheet anymore. System is showing Gaurav Gupta, there was a query for Delhi to Kerala, confirmed and payment pending, because customer has clicked on the confirm button. Now he just need to make the payment. And then the way I showed you the earlier, it is done. But automatically, if you see, your tracker is getting managed without any major efforts. Let me just close some extra windows. Yeah. So here, system is showing it has already been sent. Apart from that, if you see, just give me a second. I'm logged in a different ID. Yeah, confirmed and payment pending. I can check the mail status. If I have to follow with the client, I can just click here. Already predefined personalized message is there. Reminder to confirm trip. Hi Gaurav Gupta, thanks for your query. This is your total cost. Kindly make the payment. Even if they have made the partial payment initially, you can send a balance payment reminder request. All this can be automated. In case customer is saying to make the payment in 3 EMIs, you can create the EMI for this. That okay, you can make 5,000 rupees today. You can make 30,000 rupees on 14th. Or now balance 1960. When you want, you can just add it. And system will send the SMS and email reminder along with the payment get linked to the client. So that is another feature on the platform. I have already shown. And then the reporting part. Now, if you go on the query status report, system is showing you that how many queries has been received today, on how many queries proposal has not been sent, and how many queries where proposal has not been sent. So even if your staff is working remotely, you know that which staff has done what. You want to see it for today, you want to see it for current week, system is showing it right here. That on this much of queries, these many proposals have been sent, and these are the queries where proposal has not been sent. In case you want the value-wise report, you can see that also. The total business in process is this much. Status update, no status update. These much are hots, and this is the one leads. So you get all that data, and your system becomes intelligent with the time. Now let me go back on this. This was the case where the proposal was already available with me. In case it was not there, I have already shown how you can send a query to your suppliers. We got an open B2B marketplace also, which means you can, so there are the few B2B companies like Sapphire Venture, My Indian Holidays, and TravNet, and other companies who are using our platform. So their B2B deals along with their contact information is available to you right here. You can directly talk to them. There's no commissions involved. So even if you don't have something, you can send something to your client instantly. And in case you want to build a package, you can build a package right here. So in case you want to send a PDF file, you can upload that file and you can send it to your client. In case you want to build something, you can just create on Quick Package. Whatever you got from your supplier, just add it here. Which hotel and which city you are offering, just type it here. Say for 2 nights, which particular hotel you want to offer. Type the hotel name out here. Which room category you want to offer. What's the meal plan you are offering. What all sightseeings you want to offer. You pick the sightseeings. In case you are offering a flight, private cab, you can add it also here. And then just enter the pricing you have got from your supplier and what the markup you want, how much advance you want to confirm the trip. View and share, your proposal is ready. Now you can send it to your client in no time on email, SMS, and WhatsApp. And the best part is when your customer is opening your proposal, you are getting a notification on your mobile, you're getting a notification on the email that your customer had just opened the proposal. Let me just share on my WhatsApp screen how it is coming when a customer opens the proposal. So you as an agent will be getting the information on your mobile phone. So just imagine you are sitting at home, a client is on your website, and when he opened the proposal, you are getting an alert like this. Your customer Gaurav Kumar Gupta has just opened the proposal for LIP. Click here to view and assist for finalization. So if your client is on your website, you are not in the mobile, you know that yes, he has just opened the proposal and you can make a call to him right now. Now let me show you if we have managed the client right. And why I'm saying manage your clients right. We got a marketing dashboard here where system automatically send the greetings on the birthday and anniversary. In case I have sent a proposal today, after 3 days and 5 days, system will do the auto follow-up. So if I forget to do a follow-up as an employee, my system is intelligent enough. If there's no activity for 3 days, after 3 days, system will send a follow-up to the client. Then on a single click, your B2C client, your B2B client, customer planning it. Let's forget about the COVID-19 for a minute. Then just think about it, a client who inquired last year in the month of May. He was a prospect for us in this year in the month of May. So why I need to spend money on Google or Facebook? Why I cannot approach only those clients 100, 200, 300 who inquired me last year? So on a single click, you get the data of your client who has inquired last year in the month of May. So system automatically makes your data in a format that you can easily use it. You just create a campaign here and then you can send your deals to your client. So here you can just pick that, okay, this is the offer I want to send to my clients. In a single click, you can launch this campaign and send it to your entire client base. And how to build this mailer or landing page, you can do it. So even on the WhatsApp, instead of sending those images, if you send a URL like this, you will be able to capture more business. So like this is a landing page. Let me show you. So this is how you build. So let me do it for ADTOI today. ADTOI deals and webinar. So whatever packages you have made in the past on the platform, you just need to copy the ID of that package. So once you copy paste this ID, submit it here. The moment you submit, your landing page is ready. ADTOI deals and webinar. This will be your logo. This will be your website name. This will be your mobile number. And this is how the landing page is prepared. Why it can be done so early? Because you have already created your packages in the past. Now you want to create a mailer, just click on create emailer and click on OK. Your emailer is also ready. Now just create the campaign, select the mail list. This is how the mailer will go to the client. And I mentioned bookable mailers. What does it mean? Now, if as a client, he clicks on your mail, so this data will be pre-filled automatically once you launch the campaign. Now, the moment I enter customer's information here, it is already coming right, Rajasthan, get instant code. Which destination this client is going from, which travel date it is, how many travelers are there, get instant code. The moment client does it, a proposal will be sent to the client on the email and SMS. You will not be calling the client, sir, I have got a proposal, I have got a query. What your staff will be doing, they will be seeing a query here in the backend. And they will see a proposal right here that, okay, from Noida to Jaipur, there's a query from Gaurav Gupta. Proposal has already been sent and the email is also delivered. And in case client has opened the proposal, system will also tell that client has already opened the proposal. So I have opened it on my mobile, it is showing me open. And if I click on it, my system will show it is clicked also. And in case client has clicked on the confirm button on my proposal, system will show that yes, client has already confirmed without any manual update of your the sheet. If you use any Excel sheet or any other software, you have to update the status manually. Here you see, because I have clicked on my mobile, confirm, it is saying confirm and payment pending. Now what your staff will do, they will just go there, call the client and say, sir, okay, I'm sending the payment detail. In case there's a modification, they can just view the query and send another proposal. If they have to send this query to the supplier, they just need to click here, view package and send it to the client. Send it to the suppliers. Why they need to spend a lot of time? So these are a few things which technology can actually help you a lot to capture your clients in a better way. So this was a Jaipur. So automatically all the suppliers from Rajasthan is coming here. What we have recently done is we have added some good suppliers in the platform by default. So where you see the GTX before, these are the suppliers which we have added in the back office. So whenever there is a query, you can have your suppliers also. In case you want to use some default supplier, you can use that also. In case you don't want to spend much time on the data entry. We are coming up with some new tools also, like on your website in the login, your customer will be able to see the vouchers also. Invoice is already there. Apart from that, in case you are running a campaign on Facebook, you can actually do the Facebook lead integration right here. So staff who was able to cater 5 to 6 queries a day, with the technology, if they are able to cater 30 queries a day, you can actually think of putting the staff on some other jobs, or they can actually focus more on the conversion, or maybe you don't need a very large team to cater your clients. In the finance module, if you see the invoicing part, you will be able to see all your invoice, their status. In case you want to send a reminder, you can just click here, send reminder. Your mail is drafted automatically. A personalized mail will go to the client. In case you want to modify something, you can do that. In case you don't want to call each and every client because you have probably told your staff to go home, you can just go on the view feedback. So send email, just select the list to which you want to send this feedback. It will go automatically and it will go personalized. Customer's first name, last name will be picked from the list automatically. So these are the major things. There are lots many other things also. Probably once someone is interested, we can discuss it in one-to-one. So Chetan sir, hello, Chetan sir.
Ji.
So that's all about the platform. If anything specific you want to ask or any audience want to ask, probably we can have a 5 minutes.
Before we get on the questions, I would request everyone to put in their questions in the Q&A column at the bottom of it, so that we can take one by one. And if there's any specific question, I would request members to raise their hand and we can take it up front. But thank you, Gauravji. This is a wonderful presentation, and I'm sure if we are able to use this CRM platform and connect our websites with it, it is a lot easier job for everyone to do it. That way is because a very simple solution to look into. But if anyone wants to have a training on this or a demo session, can we arrange it, Gauravji?
Yes, sir, definitely. So these are our contact information.
Yeah. We will share the contact information of Mr. Gaurav, and if anyone has any queries, you can probably reach him directly. Or if you want to have a demo of this today's presentation, demo of this CRM software or a website, probably you can look into it. Gauravji, before taking the questions, let us get into the money part now. How much money does it
sure, sir. Okay, as I said,
सर काम तो पैसे से ही होगा, तो आप नॉर्मल क्या चार्ज कर रहे हो और हमारे लिए एडिटर के लिए क्या चार्ज कर रहे हो वो बताइएगा सर.
Okay, so sir, I'll tell you, initially we were offering the solution only CRM part for 48,000 rupees a year, and website was another 2,000 rupees a month. Now, during this COVID time, we have come up with a new plan where you get a bookable website with dynamic pricing, dynamic search, payment gateway. In case you are dealing in the fixed departures, you can actually update the fixed departures also here with online sales, WhatsApp integration, instant proposal with CRM in case you opt for the CRM. So right now what we have done is we are offering you the website with all these features at 2,000 rupees per month only, where you get the complete website. CRM is complimentary for first 3 months. After 3 months, you can upgrade for the CRM. In case you don't want a CRM, you can continue with only website. And the good part is you can make this payment monthly also. It's not like you have to pay 24,000. You have to pay 2,000 rupees per month plus GST, and you get one branded email, 1 GB server space, support is also available. You got the sales and marketing module. So you get all the features of the platform except one module, that is a hotel contracting, which is not required for, that is required only for the B2Bs and DMCs. But otherwise you get all the features at only 2,000 rupees per month.
So what do you mean by
from the situation,
what do you mean by email, branded email?
So let's say I have seen lots many clients are using their Gmail ID, like operations.hellogtx@gmail.com. So we are offering one email ID on your domain also. So if you have a domain, we'll create one email ID, we'll give it to you. So which you are probably buying from Google at 2,000 rupees a year, we are giving that one complimentary email ID on our servers. In case you have your email ID, we can use that also.
So you are saying this is 2,000 rupees per month, and you will give us a website plus 3 months CRM.
That's right.
I said, what about the price after 3 months?
So after 3 months, the CRM cost is around 3,000 rupees per month, depending upon the plan you choose, but it starts from 3,000 rupees per month.
with all the features.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we are done with
So
the.
basically 1,000 rupees extra. है गौरव जी?
Yes, sir.
It means आपका मतलब यही हुआ ना कि 2,000 रुपए अगर आप बोल रहे हो per month, तो अगर आप CRM 3 months के बाद if you do it that, then it will be 3,000.
No, then you have to pay 3,000
So
rupees
extra
extra.
will be
So that
Yeah.
goes with
5,000 rupees.
5,000 rupees.
Per month.
Yeah, that's right.
Per month. ठीक है.
Actually, we'll take the questions which are there, but there are a couple of people who have raised their hands. One is, sir, can you, Gauravji, can you switch off this share screen, sir?
Sure, sir.
Right.
Yes,
We
sir.
have Miss Ritu Seni with us, and she has raised her hand for any question. Rituji, can you listen to us? You have to unmute yourself.
Are
Yeah.
you able to hear me?
Yeah, this is better. Please go on.
Yeah, I just need to know, like, once he will develop the website for us, so in case in future also, like, we need to pay the cost and they will be going to develop the things.
So this is a SaaS model website, though it is a complete SEO friendly website. It can be hosted on your servers also. If I talk about the website part, as you asked the question in the chat box also, can we get the hotel name and address updated within this cost? So we are not updating any hotels and cost specifically, but what we
Okay.
have done is we have already uploaded a database of around 6 lakh hotels globally. We have already uploaded 8,000 sightseeing globally with photograph, content and everything. So that you get automatically by default, you need not to upload any data.
Okay.
That is one part. Second, when you are starting and let's say you are dealing some destination and you are not getting the sightseeing of that destination in the system by default, you can email us that list of the sightseeing. My team will get that data updated in the system.
Okay.
But yeah, there may be some cases where there are certain offbeat locations of the hotels that you can also upload at your own.
But that has to be done by the technology person, like who knows the technology and all.
No, ma'am. I have shown you the complete software. You can do it exactly the way I have shown you here.
Okay.
You don't need any technology person. You yourself can do it. I can show you how you can create a package also. Chetan sir, can I just share the screen once again for a minute?
Yes, sir.
So as you see here, we have an inventory module. You can click a package or hotel or anything right here. So the moment you click on add package, you can just enter the package name, starting city, end city, category of the package, whether it's a only hotel deal or an itinerary based deal, or recommended photograph. Then you can create an itinerary here, day 1, day 2, day 3. Now this system is becoming intelligent with time. So what's happened? Let's say you have created something from Cochin to Munnar today, and you have entered the title and description. Now there is a button called Save as Itinerary Description Master. So next time when you click, system will automatically suggest the itinerary and description for day 1, and you can pick any of them. If you want, you can add it. Okay, then in the end, you can enter the terms and condition. They will come by default, whatever you have entered in the master. If you want, you can change it right there. Then comes your costing sheet. Here you can enter the costing. So this is our only platform, rather than using any other OTA, those websites like WordPress and all, where you enter the pricing on the basis of per adult and per child. In our trade, it always work on the number of rooms, number of adults. Then supplementary cost, adult extra bed, you can enter the costing accordingly. Then system will automatically calculate the pricing on the website, in the backend, everywhere. And this is quite easy. Like it is just a form that you need to fill. I hope I answer your question.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you, Rituji. Thank you so much for your question. Okay, one is answered. We have already a website. What will be the change in cost structure? Gauravji, somebody's asked, they have already a website.
So whatever plan you will choose, pricing will be accordingly. The max, we sign an NDA with you, and where it is written very clearly that up to 10% increase can happen in the next year. So it's not something we give you today at 2,000 rupees. Tomorrow I'm asking you 10,000 rupees. That wouldn't happen. Many of the clients are using the platform for last 2 years. Chetan, so you are also one of them. So you know that the pricing is quite transparent here.
I'm taking Gurjeet ji, Gurjeet Singh Chabra. Hello Gurjeet ji, how are you? Good afternoon, sir. Can you unmute yourself and speak, sir?
I think he is not able to hear.
Gurjeet ji,
Gurjeet ji,
I am not
please
able to do it.
unmute. छाबड़ा साहब अनम्यूट करो.
नहीं हो रहा सर. मैं सर अभिषेक सिंह जी को ले रहा हूँ. अभिषेक जी has a question. I think if we can unmute and start the question now. Yeah, Abhishek ji, please go on.
चेतन जी नमस्कार. गौरव जी ये पूछ रहा था कि जो CRM आप देते हैं वो कंपनी स्पेसिफिक होता है या इंडिविजुअल स्पेसिफिक? जैसे
सर ये कंपनी स्पेसिफिक होता है.
तो हमारे ऑफिस में अगर 4 बंदे हैं तो चारों इसको यूज कर सकते हैं ना?
सर चारों का अलग अलग लॉगिन बन जाएगा.
हाँ,
सेम कॉस्ट में या अलग कॉस्ट में?
सर सेम प्राइसिंग हमारा यूसेज के बेसिस पे वी कैन डिस्कस दैट थिंग इन 1-to-1, बट आपका प्राइसिंग सेम ही रहेगा.
नहीं मैं समझा नहीं. जैसे आपने 3000 रुपए कहा है, 4 महीने के बाद CRM का लगेगा, तो ये 3000 में 4 बंदे यूज कर सकते हैं या पर हेड आप चार्ज करेंगे?
सर 4 बंदे भी यूज कर सकते हो, 6 बंदे भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
There is no additional cost to it, right, sir?
कॉस्ट
Yes,
पूछ
sir.
रहा हूँ, ये पर हेड लगेगा या कंपनी?
सर ये
total-
कंपनी बेसिस
sir, total amount,
सर कंपनी
total.
बेस्ड बिलिंग है, हमारी पर पर्सन बेस्ड बिलिंग नहीं है.
थैंक यू गौरव जी.
एक्चुअली गौरव जी मैं थोड़ा सा क्लियर कर दूं, इसमें आपका एक लॉगिन और पासवर्ड होता है. जो आप लॉगिन पासवर्ड जिसके पास भी होगा वो लॉगिन पासवर्ड करके उसको यूज कर सकता है, चाहे वो
बिल्कुल
4
सर.
आदमी हो, 2 आदमी हो, 6 आदमी हो, 8 आदमी. Am I right?
Yes sir, and as a company owner you can give the rights कि किस यूजर को क्या दिखाना है क्या नहीं दिखाना है. So there is a complete user management also.
थैंक यू.
I think Abhishek ji question is answered, sir.
जी सर.
Thank you. Praveen Ghai is there. He wants to ask something. Praveen ji, can you unmute yourself
Good morning,
and ask?
everyone.
Yeah, Praveen ji.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन.
Good morning प्रवीण जी.
कैसे हैं सर?
बढ़िया सर, आप बताइए.
अच्छा, वन क्वेश्चन. इज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर कनेक्टेड टू योर मास्टर सर्वर?
Sir, this entire data is on a cloud.
ऑन अ क्लाउड?
Yeah.
ओके, दैट मींस आवर ऑल डेटा इज ऑन क्लाउड.
That's right.
So what's the guarantee that our data is saved and not to be shared with anyone else?
I'll share the NDA copy with you, sir. We sign an NDA with you,
NDA.
and that's a strong NDA, and we sign that.
Can you brief
agreement
what
with
do you mean by NDA?
So NDA is a non-disclosure agreement. So right now, if you see, as a company, we work with lots many big corporates also, like Pepsi is there, and Religare is there. We are DCB Bank is there. So we know from the technology perspective what kind of security features etc. has to be there. Number one. Number two, on the data access, how the data access can be accessed within the company also. So these companies, when we work with them, they also keep on doing our audits from time to time. So all those things are being taken care in the company at the company level, that no user employee can access the data. Number one. Number two, yeah, as a company, we sign an NDA with you, which actually protect your data. So Praveen ji, I'll send you the copy of that non-disclosure agreement, and you
Right.
can always refer that.
Right.
All
Thank you,
Hello.
Gaurav ji.
Thank you, Praveen ji.
Thank you.
Gurjeet ji, welcome back, sir. How are you, Gurjeet ji? Please go on, sir.
Thank
Hello.
छाबड़ा बोलो. हाँ जी बोलो.
Gurjeet ji, good afternoon.
Gurjeet ji, we can listen to you, sir. Bolo. I don't think he's able to listen to us.
Probably his mic is having some
Yeah,
problem.
I am taking Rakesh Mohanty ji. He has a question. Ji Rakesh ji, please go on, sir. Good afternoon.
हेलो गौरव जी.
हेलो राकेश जी, कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक है सर.
यस
सर
सर.
मेरा ये जानना था कि जैसे कि आप बोल रहे थे एक ईमेल आईडी आप प्रोवाइड करेंगे,
जी.
तो जैसे कि हम लोग 3 ईमेल आईडी यूज कर रहे हैं अभी अपनी कंपनी के मेल आईडी से.
तो सर हमारा आईडी मतलब आप अपना आईडी यूज करो.
अच्छा.
सर देखो, हम एक आईडी डिफॉल्ट इसलिए दे रहे हैं कि जब भी आप कोई मेल्स वगैरह भेजते हो ना क्लाइंट को, वो अच्छा नहीं लगता जब जीमेल से जाता है. सो वी आर
बिल्कुल,
सेइंग वन
बिल्कुल.
आईडी वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग.
बिल्कुल.
In case you are having your company ID, that email ID will be used.
ओके. और सर सेकंड और क्वेश्चन है, जैसे कि
Yeah.
आप जो प्राइसिंग मुझे बोले 24,000 पर ईयर अभी का जो कोविड के लिए है,
For the website, yes.
हाँ, सेकंड ईयर से वो कितना होगा?
Sir, website का तो सेम ही रहेगा. In case you upgrade to the CRM, there are different plans, even annual plans. If you choose for the annual plan after 3 months or 4 months, your website costing will go 50%. Instead of 24,000 per month, it will be 12,000 per year.
नहीं, मुझे आप सेकंड ईयर से एस्टिमेट बोल के चलिए कि जैसे कि सेकंड ईयर से वेबसाइट प्लस सीआरएम वो कितना लगभग कितना आ जाएगा?
Sir, 60,000 rupees per year का हमारा नॉर्मल प्लान है.
अच्छा.
वेबसाइट प्लस CRM.
हम्म.
और जो प्राइस अगर अपडेट होगा मैक्सिमम 10%.
ओके.
That clause we sign on the one.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. This is one question. Love Kumar Lal, what is GTX and CMS? Lavji, GTX is the company name. This is Global Travel.
I am answering the questions. Sir.
Oh, Kshitij is doing it. Okay. So I'm sure Kshitij is answering the questions, and we have got a lot of questions in the chat box as well. And Kshitij is very active on answering all the questions of the chat. So I think this ends the session, and thank you, Gauravji, for a fantastic presentation today. I hope
just a second, sir. Gaurav sir, can you please share our contact details on the screen, please, for everyone to see?
I have already shared that, and Chetan sir will mail it to all the participants also.
We will do that.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Gaurav, for your time. And I'm sure members have get first-hand knowledge of the technology, and probably if we can enhance, we can automate our office work and the back office in that way. Anyone has any question after the session as well, please feel free to send it to us or to Mr. Gaurav directly. He will be able to answer this.
You can note down my number 9811922312. I have just typed my number in the mail body along with the website name. Thank you, Chetan sir. Thank you, Khanna sir.
Thank you, Gaurav ji.
Thank you, Gaurav ji.
Everyone for participating.
Thank you to all the participants, and hope that we have taken benefit out of that. And please adopt the technology, which is the future. And we only then we can, beat the OTAs. Thank you very much, Gaurav ji. Thank you, and thank you, Chetan.
Thank you, everyone, for a great session today. And we will keep you updated for our next upcoming sessions. We have a couple of them lined up for the hotels. One is for technology, and a couple of them for the state tourism boards. So stay in tune, friends. We will keep you updated on the coming ones. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Everyone.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day ahead.
Thanks, Kshitij. Thank you.